we're going to be doing a Cajun pasta. After talking to my staff, that was what they wanted to learn how to cook. So here we go, Cajun pasta coming in. Alright, we're back. And this is a very, very simple pasta technique. So you don't have to put any flour, you don't have to make a roux, you don't have to get real complicated. You can start with 1 pound of butter. And I'm using extra creamy butter, extra cream butter. Don't use the light stuff, don't use skinny milk, don't use 2%. And this technique is you melt the butter. If you're using this, make sure you're using a non-stick spoon. As you melt your butter in here, break it up. Coat the bottom of your pan. This is where you're going to get about a cup of milk so far. This really is only about a cup and a half of milk. You're going to stir this around, medium heat. If you see, you're going to just keep stirring. And what you want to do is you want to get it where the milk and the butter are evenly combined. You don't see the yellow splotches of butter. You can see. You just want to be a nice, even liquid as that milk heats up. Then you'll add your next pat of butter. Red bell peppers, the lower part of the green onion for them. We've got the chicken blackened Cajun spicing along with some sausage bits, some venison sausage. You can just use regular kielbasa. And then garnish it. I'm going to garnish it with some diced tomatoes and green onions. And then I got about a cup of Parmesan cheese here. It's just a cheap grated Parmesan cheese. It's not that big a deal. Start to steam. You're going to put about a tablespoon of Slap Your Mama Cajun seasoning. You can use Cajun Chef. You can use a Pardon. And you're going to put this in here and a couple of dashes of black pepper. What you're doing is letting the spices, the oils and the spices come out. It's called blooming your spices. It's pretty darn simple. And we're going to add a little bit of Parmesan cheese. And that'll start thickening up. And if it needs more Parmesan cheese, feel free to add more Parmesan cheese. If it gets too thick, that's why we have this great pasta water here. A little more heat. Now you never saw me add any salt. Because the pasta, I put about a half a cup of salt in the pasta water. The pasta's really, really salty, so you no need to salt this dish. I'm going to add a little bit of pasta. And that'll start causing some thickening. Rest of the Parmesan cheese. There we go. I think we're going to need more parm. I made it 2 cups of parm. Right. More pasta. I took about 2 minutes. Gonna add our veggies, incorporate them, see where we're at on thickness. Oh, it's getting cheesy. Get our rest of our pasta, get that all nice and coated. Sausage and tomatoes, sausage and chicken. It's already been blackened up. Turn that heat down. Taste it for seasoning. I like it spicy, so I'm going to add a little bit more, mama. Slap your mama. If you don't want it spicy, I would add a little bit of smoked paprika, but We didn't have to add any of the pasta water. That is beautiful. Move that burner out of the way. It's easy to work with. And plate that up for you. Alright. Little garnish there. There we go. Super easy Cajun pasta. Feed your brother. Where's that sucker at? There we go. And enjoy. Remember, like, subscribe, and we'll keep posting some more stuff for you. Thank you.